We're going to start Unit 1, Growing and Learning. Oh yeah, so we have a little poem here. It's called The More I Know. The more I know, the more I grow. It's an easy equation to solve if I try. Asking and learning help me understand why. The more I know, the more I want to know. It's an easy equation without a doubt. Wondering and learning help me figure things out. George Samos.
So I'm going to read it again. I'm not going to find the poem.
Okay.
So the more I know, the more I know. The more I know, the more I grow. Is an easy question. Why do you have a E of
So this word is equation.
Equation, what's that word?
So if I give you an addition and adding equation, it's 3 plus 4 equals 7. So an equation is like a problem that you need to solve.
Okay. It's an easy equation to solve if I try. Asking and learning help me understand why. The more I know, the more I want to know. It's an easy equation without a doubt. Wondering and learning help me figure things out. George Samos.
Okay, very good. So here...
I can't find the poem.
Oh, you want to find the rhymes?
Yes, is no, grow, try, why. No. And I didn't find that first when you read. It's an easy equation to solve if I try. And I didn't find that stolen out is a rhyme, but then I read them. So it's actually, I think, the patterns and they all have a OU. So it might be, but if you just look at them and is there a rhyme or not? I think it's not a rhyme, but I knew it for now. It's a rhyme.
Right. So one thing that we have to remember is that words that rhyme are not always going to be spelled the same way, right? Mm-hmm. So when you have, if you're not sure, you can just say the words again and just not look at the word, but really pay attention to their sound. So here would be doubt, out. So in doubt, you don't really pronounce the letter B, right? So it's kind of like you just erase this here. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And the more and grow is still around. More and know and grow.
Right. Well, more. Actually, know and grow are rhymes, but more, it has the O, right? But the ending sounds a little bit different. So if I say more, grow.
More. Yes, and more, then there need to be a nor.
Something like that, yeah. So more is not a rhyme. Okay. And so why do you think the author decided to use these illustrations here for this poem? So we have flowers all over the poem. Why do you think that?
Because they talk about science, why this flower is blue and this flower is pink, and then we know that we have different seeds and we all have different flowers.
Okay, but where in this poem does it talk about science? Not really, right?
Asking and answering, learning how to understand why.
Well,
asking
that could
question,
be.
there is one step of the scientific method.
Right.
Asking,
Yeah,
question,
true. But here, it's talking about growth, right? So it's talking about how we can grow by learning more. And so here, the author decided to use flowers because flowers also grow when you water them, when you put sunlight, when you feed them. And so the author is comparing us to flowers, right? But flowers grow when you feed them, and we grow when we learn.
And do flowers sleep like us? They wake up and sleep, do they?
I don't think so.